front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Start by pinching your device's display and tapping on themes at the bottom between wallpapers and style and widgets sections. You can also access Theme app by clicking on it. Wherever you decided, over here select Themes at the bottom left corner, pick the best one for you, and click on it. Then buy it or hit download. And last but not least, tap on Apply button. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. To go back to your default theme, you need to go back to the same app. This time select Menu at the bottom right corner, hit My Stuff at the top left one, select the default theme and choose Apply in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!